Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an outside door handle on this 98 Dodge Caravan, same as 96 to 2000. This vehicle does have the manual windows, so that part of the repair could be a little different if you have power windows. Tools you'll need for the job are a window crank removal tool, and that's available on our website. Phillips screwdriver, small flat blade screwdriver, a door panel clip tool, also available at 1AAuto.com, and a 10mm socket with a ratchet and extension.
The first thing you're going to do is remove your manual window crank. Best tool for it is the actual tool that you use. You can do it a couple different ways, but this tool usually only costs a few dollars. We do sell them on 1AAuto.com, and it's easy enough. You slide it in between here. Just be careful because the clip can fly out sometimes. Alright, it just went right into my floor so I can see it. Okay, that just kind of goes in, pushes the clip off, and just make sure you keep the washer here with it. Okay, now you're going to remove a few screws. There's one right there next to your door pull. Okay, there's one right in behind your door handle. Small screwdriver. Pry this little trap door open and you'll find another screw. And then there's also one right up in here. Using a short screwdriver for this one up here is easiest.
I'm just going to kind of speed it up. I actually think all you need to take out is the screw next to the door pull and the one that you can see that's in behind your door handle. I don't think you need to take this top one off or the one behind the little trap door, but I did it anyways.
Need a door panel clip tool. Also a putty knife works. I actually use the putty knife first, kind of get it in there. You slide it down, you find the clip, then use your door panel clip tool, get right around the clip. Once you start it going, then you just kind of pull. Lift it up and off. The lock rod's in behind. Just flip that off. Okay, pull it down. Okay, here you can see the clips. Not sure why they didn't want to come out. Okay. You basically just go right around them with your clip tool and pop them out.
Okay, and even though I do use fast forward here, you want to slowly and carefully remove your water shield. You want to avoid ripping it as much as possible so you can reuse it.
Okay, to remove your outside door handle, inside your door there's two rods. Okay, you see a white clip there and a green clip. The rod and the white clip, you basically just get your hand or your finger in behind and pull it towards the front of the car. Okay, and then the green clip, probably going to be hard to video here. Get a finger or a thumb on it and you flip it over to the side like that, and that rod just pulls right out. Okay, you do have to have your window all the way up. There's 3 nuts right through these holes, one there, there, and there.
And I'll speed up here as I use a 10mm socket with a ratchet and extension and remove those 3 nuts that hold the door handle.
Once you remove those, then the handle just comes right out. Okay, so as you can see, my handle's in fine shape, so I'm not going to replace it, but I'll just show you what you do need to do. You would take this rod off, just like before the clip pulls up. Okay, and then pull the rod out. And then you would want to pull your lock assembly out. There's a clip over here on the side. Pry out on the clip. Okay, then your lock assembly comes out. On your new handle, the clip will already be installed, probably correctly here. Okay, so you would just take your lock assembly, push it right in, and it locks in. Okay, and this rod goes back in. Okay, kind of curls out away from the handle. Put that clip on. And put your assembly right down into your door. Make sure the rods don't get hung up on anything. I'd advise reaching up by hand, starting your bolts on or your nuts on.
Okay, we'll speed it up here. I did start that first nut by hand, but then the other two you really can't reach by hand, so I basically put the nut into the 10mm socket with the extension and just start them like that, and then tighten them up nice and firm. Don't over tighten them though.
Okay, now we'll put our rods back in place. Okay, I'll get this one. Let's see. Start that one in. Put it in. Clip up. Snap it on. This one you might need to move the arm down a little bit. Okay. Start the rod in. And push it in place.
Okay, carefully put the water shield back on. The latch rod goes through the slit, and then the lock goes through up there, and then stick it on as best you can.
Okay, once you pop them out, put them back into your door panel. Okay, pull your lock rod over. Put it up into this clip. Okay, and then flip the clip over. And kind of find your lock here. Just force it through. Here. Up in there, kind of peek back in here, get your pins to line up.
And I'll speed up here as I just put those 4 screws back in and that little trap door back on, and then I'll get into replacing the window crank.
Take our little clip and usually put it back in. Use a screwdriver and carefully push it back on. Okay, this little indent in the washer goes on top of there like that. Then you can just put this on in any position. Make sure it latches on. Okay.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.